Alam naman po natin na ang pamamahala po ng buong pagdiriwang ng kapistahan ng Mahal na Pong Jesus Nazareno dito sa Quiapo ay kinabibilangan po ng iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, maging mga non-government agencies, private individuals and groups. Kasama po natin dito, at tayo nagpapasalamat sa Diyos, ang pagtulong, kalinga, suporta ng ating local government dito sa Maynila, regional, and even national. No? Ito po ay kinabibilangan ng mga hanay ng mga sundalo, Navy, Coast Guard, and in the intelligence community. Of course, kasama definitely ang Department of Health. Ano po. So regularly, since the celebration started, we have the MAC. We have a place where we are together. We're monitoring everything. So it was a regular thing, I suppose. This is my first time po to celebrate the fiesta of Quiapo as the parish priest. No? Until this morning, early this morning, we were informed by the Department of Health na medyo po yung resources natin in terms of people, doctors, and all the medical professionals and volunteers, medyo pagod na rin po. I mean, it is easy to understand. It's been 24 hours already, and I have to take courage and take the microphone. It was taking a while, pero from where I saw the andas, no, getting closer and closer and closer to the gate of San Sebastian Parish. And at this point, I would like to pray, kasi the figures will not lie. Yes, this is a very spiritual activity, but we don't disregard the physical welfare of people. Yun eh. It's a very beautiful spiritual exercise. You are able to express your faith in God, your devotion to God. But mind you, God is also after the welfare of our body, our physical body. Gift din ng Panginoon yan. At yung katawan natin, yun ang ginagamit natin para itaguyod yung ating mga mahal sa buhay at tuparin yung plano ng Diyos sa buhay natin. So, ganun ka-importante ang ating katawan. Yun po yung pinaka. So, please, hindi pa ilang oras pa bago makarating po yung ating andas, I would like to ask and appeal to everyone, please say a little prayer na hindi na mag-increase yung number of casualties, and then makabalik yung andas dito sa simbahan, and most especially, makabalik ang mga kadiboto natin ng ligtas sa kanilang pamilya, sa kanilang tahanan. Maraming salamat po.